Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlie Allen coming back with another video and some quick tips on how to make your laundry smell good for months afterwards. So I'm gonna need y'all to go to your nearest Walmart, pick up these items, and come back and holla at your girl. Do this video with me, okay? Yes, baby, let's get these clothes clean, period.
If you don't let the water fill up, when you put the soap in, it's gonna stain your clothes.
Okay.
Amen.
Period. Okay, so I am going to show you guys how to make the best soap powder mixture for your laundry, and this is going to last you about 3 months. I'm super old school, okay? I still use powder. I love powder. I love powder, the way it makes your clothes. My goodness. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. So basically all you guys need to do is take a trip to your local Walmart, okay? Because they're the only ones that I believe I know of that sells these detergents. But let me show you guys what I bought. 4 bags of Aroma, this stuff right here, baby. If you want your clothes to smell like goodness, I mean, you can wash your clothes and don't even put any fragrance on, and people are complimenting you on how you smell. This one here is $1.48 a bag. I could be wrong. It might be $1.28, something like that. 1 pound bag. Then we have Foca laundry detergent. Okay, this is $2 a bag. And then this is Arco Iris laundry detergent. It's $2. And then we have Ariel with Downy. This one was $4. Okay, I got some Snuggle boosters and some Arm & Hammer. Okay, y'all, I'm old school. I prefer powder over the juice because I go through it too fast. I'm pouring, I don't even use the lid, I just pour it in, and I'm going through a bottle like every 6 loads because the liquid detergent just don't do it for me, or neither do those power packs. So I'm gonna keep it old school until they don't sell it anymore with the powder. Maybe your clothes, your sheets, get in your bed, you're gonna be smelling like you're sleeping in heaven. I'm telling you guys, go out to Walmart, get your stuff. I also got this Arm & Hammer. It is my favorite laundry detergent. I love it. This stuff make your clothes smell like, baby, it smells like greatness. I just love it. Okay, like, get you some Arm & Hammer, okay? Alpine Clean, okay? Helps eliminate odors, okay? It's in Spanish, but that's what it do. All right, y'all, baby. And this was probably like $8 and some change for this big one. So I usually don't have to get this every time I go. This is when I run out of this, I will use half of this to make this concoction, and then I will save the other half for the next time. But guys, yes, so all you need is $20. This will last you about 4 months, 3 to 4 months worth of laundry. It's me and my daughter, but we have a lot of laundry. She's in a lot of sports, and I like my sheets cleaned every week. Switching out my sheet sets and putting on new ones. I need to get in bed and smell good, smelling sheets that smell good, pillowcases that smell good, covers that smell good, your clothes smell good, maybe. All right, so get you guys a bucket. This is the bucket that I used last time with a lid, and then you can just store it in your laundry room. There is a scooper inside this big old Arm & Hammer container, and you can use that to scoop your laundry. All you need is 1 scoop for the load. I like to let my water fill up first. Some people put their laundry in first. I let my water fill up first, and then I add my laundry second. Okay, right, Jay?
Right.
Period. Okay. Come over here and tell the people. Come over here and tell the people if they put their laundry in first, they doing it backwards. Come on, come over here and tell them. You know, go ahead and tell the people. You know, if y'all putting y'all laundry in first, y'all doing it wrong. You gotta let the water fill up. I mean,
if you don't let the water fill up, when you put the soap in, it's gonna stain your clothes.
Okay.
Amen.
Period. You know, she said it quick. Okay. When you go to pour in that liquid fabric softener, that liquid laundry detergent, your clothes gonna get some stains on them. Okay, and they ain't coming out. Baby, they don't come out.
Because that's what's supposed to keep them out.
Okay, they don't come out. Okay. So, anywho, guys, keep on watching, and I'm going to show you how I quickly make this concoction, and you can too. Okay, I want y'all to smell good. I want your clothes to smell good too. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like this video, you know, share it with 1,000 people each. I know y'all know people. At least y'all social media's accounts say y'all do, so share it for me, okay? Yeah, help your girl out, okay? Period. You know, I'm telling you guys, stop letting Tide and Gain and them take all y'all money, because this stuff is where it's at, okay? I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching my video. Love, peace, and hair grease. Duh.